Okay, what do you think mommy is working as?
Drop shipping thingy.
So what do you think this drop shipping is about?
Selling things and making videos, I guess.
So what are the things that you think mommy is selling?
Camera stuff, whatever.
Camera?
Stuff.
Where do you think mommy sell the stuff at?
Amazon?
Amazon? Wow, you know Amazon?
Yeah, I heard of it.
You heard of it? I don't sell on Amazon, but never mind.
Okay.
I didn't know you know so much. What would you tell your friends about mommy? If let's say like people ask you what is your mommy doing, how do you reply them?
Making videos.
Making videos?
And
What type of videos that mommy make?
drop shipping stuff.
Dropshipping videos?
Yeah, I guess. Happy Mother's Day!
Aww, that's love.
Now goodbye.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So as you can see at the intro just now, today's video is very special because it is going to be Mother's Day. And today's video, I'm going to share 5 ways on how you can make money online as a stay-at-home mom. So this is a Mother's Day edition video. My life turned around after I started becoming a mom. And up to today, my whole entrepreneur journey revolves around my family. So whatever decision that I've made and whatever career path that I've taken, all started after I have become a mom. Looking back at my old videos, I remember telling my audience the reason why I want to set up this channel. And the main reason was that I had a mompreneur vision and I wanted to share as much as possible about my online entrepreneur journey, and the best way to do it is to create a YouTube channel. And here I am today, I'm still sharing my mompreneur journey and how I become an online entrepreneur right at home. So today is a very special occasion. I want to share with you 5 ways that you can start earning money from home if you are a stay-at-home mom. And these 5 ways can be started with little to no capital. The very first way that you can make money online as a stay-at-home mom is to sell digital products. There are many digital products that we can sell on the internet. One of the example of the digital products is photos. If you are very good at photography, the photos that you have taken either by your phone or your digital camera, you can post it online and sell them. Another example of digital products are the templates. So recently, there are a lot of demands for templates, especially social media templates. So you can easily create your own templates on canva.com and you can sell it on marketplaces. Etsy.com is a wonderful way to get ideas on what digital products that you can sell. And at the same time, you can also market all your digital products on Etsy.com. The second way on how you can make money online as a stay-at-home mom is to be a YouTuber or an influencer. 2 of my revenues are actually from being a YouTuber as well as being an influencer. I do not really focus on being an influencer, but as I was growing my channel, there are many brands that approach me. So this is how I became an accidental influencer. I have a video up here, so you can check the video out. So basically, brands like to look for micro or nano influencer, whereby they are users of a specific product. So our profile actually match the brand. The brand will actually go over either YouTube or Instagram to look for influencers or micro influencers or their target audience to actually help them promote their products by either creating a video or creating a post. So this is something that you are going to be paid for. As being on YouTube, as long as you are included in the YouTube partnership program, you are entitled to be paid based on your views. So far my channel has been monetized and YouTube has been paying me every single month. So as long as I continue making videos and the audience continue watching my videos, I will be paid monthly. Another stream of income that you can generate through YouTube is by affiliate marketing. So when your channel grows bigger and you have much more following, you can actually start promoting other people's products. So this is what we call it affiliate marketing. And that is if you do not have your own product. So many big YouTubers out there, they do have their own merchandise. For example, some of the merchandise will be the t-shirts or the caps or the mugs. These influencers actually promote their products to their own followers. So this is one way that you can generate income from your YouTube channel. The third way will be the most common way, which is to set up an online store. The most common way to do this will be to source for products, and then after that set up an e-commerce store and sell online. With so many social media platforms nowadays, we can easily sell e-commerce products on any social media platforms. As your business grows bigger, you can actually set up your own website and promote your e-commerce products on your website. If you do not want to source the product yourself, another good way that I like to use is by doing dropshipping. Dropshipping is a fulfillment method in e-commerce whereby you source for suppliers that are willing to send the products to the customers directly. So you do not need to handle any logistics and do not need to rent a warehouse to store your products. So this is the beauty of dropshipping. My whole online entrepreneur journey started with dropshipping. So I sourced for a furniture supplier, and the furniture suppliers are willing to dropship the product for me. So all I need to do is to set up the stores and promote the product. So marketing was a very important component of being in a dropshipping business. The fourth way to earn money online as a stay-at-home mom is to set up your own digital agency. This is one of my favorite ways to generate income as a stay-at-home mom. Setting up a digital agency seems very daunting, but my way of doing it is through job servicing method. So job servicing method is very similar to dropshipping, whereby the most important component of this job servicing business is the marketing. So job servicing is promoting digital services like video editing services, logo design services, IT services, and many more other digital services that can be promoted online. So when somebody buy your digital service, you need to outsource this service to another freelancer. The main difference between dropshipping and job servicing will be the profit margin. For dropshipping, you need to sell in volume in order to see a significant profit. For example, I was selling household items. One piece of kitchen knife, I'm able to make about $10. If I were to promote a video editing service, my profit can be up to $80. So the profit is much more higher, and the delivery of the product is much more simpler as well. As these digital services can be just transferred online, all these are digital files, you can just transfer them digitally. I have created a step-by-step tutorial on how you can start your own profitable job servicing business. I will leave a link up here as well as down in the description box below. The fifth way on how you can make money online as a stay-at-home mom is by teaching online. There are many things that you can teach online. If you are good at cooking, you can also teach online. If you are good at fitness, you can teach fitness move online. There are many topics that you can teach online. This is also one of my core business right now, and it all started because a lot of my friends asked me how they can start their own drop shipping business. When I first started out, I didn't know how am I going to create a course. So I went to learn how to create a course. If you too are interested to learn how to create profitable online courses, I will leave a link to a free training whereby I took this free training 2 years ago, and I've learned so much from this free training. In the training, they will be sharing with you how you can monetize your skill and turn your skill into a profitable online course. I hope today's video gives you an idea on how you can make money as a stay-at-home mom. I know the struggles of being a stay-at-home mom. Majority of our time are dedicated to our family, but we only live life once, and we too have our own desire and also goal in life. After being an online entrepreneur, I feel I'm much more happier and much more fulfilled. So I hope this video inspires you as a stay-at-home mom. So even though you are a stay-at-home mom, you too can build a career from home. So that's all for my video today. Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers out there, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!
Love you. Happy Mommy Day.
Wow, you bake this?
Yes.
Wow, what is that?
It's a biscuit.
It's a biscuit. Wow, thank you. Thank you. Wow, nice.
And then take out.
You take out.
Yes.
Is it for me?
No, it's not for you.
Huh?
For me.
What?